Today we're going to show you how to use the solder-on connector from Gap Supply. You'll start out by taking your strip. We're showing here the Blaze strip. You can also use a Vivid strip. We'll show you how to do both. This connector will work with any of our strips that we currently have that are the 2-pin connector style. This will not be compatible with the RGB strip. You can see that the connector clearly fits over with the 2 little chrome pins over the copper dots. The best way to do it is to use a rosin core solder, very small diameter, and then you'll use a pen tip style soldering iron. We're going to start by taking our solder and touching it to one of the copper dots, just like that. You want to make sure that your soldering iron is nice and hot. Then you'll take your connector, you'll place it over the top, and you'll reheat the solder to where the pin connector falls in, and now it's overlapping the top and is connected. Then you'll take your solder and you'll solder over the other side. You'll want to test your connection to make sure that it is nice and solid and doesn't pull off, but it's very quick, very easy. Let's move to a smaller strip. This here is our Vivid strip. The Vivid strip, you can leave the 2 copper dots showing, and we'll show you how to solder that on as well. You'll want to make sure that you take your connector and that you place it over the 2 copper dots, showing your alignment. Same step, we'll solder on just a tiny little dot onto the copper. Place it over the top. Allow it to cool for just a second. Then you'll do the same thing on the other side. Allowing it to cool. And there you have it. A nice solid connection. Now we'll show you how to put the wire into the connection. You'll take your red and black wire and you'll want to strip the ends back like so. You'll peel the wires apart and then twist them together nice and tight. You'll want to verify your positive to make sure your wire comes in on the right side. You can use a small screwdriver. You'll insert the 2 wires into each side, depress to get the red wire started, move over to the black wire side, depress, and then release. Once you release it, now the wire is firmly in place. Nice, easy, quick, and secure connection.